In the vast abyss of the cosmos, where the infinite tapestry of stars weaves tales of creation and destruction, one question echoes through the void. Where is everyone? The universe is a symphony of billions of galaxies, each a swirling congregation of stars, planets, and mysteries. Yet, amidst the cosmic grandeur, there lies a profound and unsettling silence. A silence so deafening that it challenges the very essence of our existence. The Fermi Paradox, named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, forces us to confront the unfathomable contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the stark absence of any contact. And consider this. Among the estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each harboring hundreds of billions of stars, with untold numbers of planets orbiting them, the odds suggest that life should be teeming across the universe. Yet, as we peer deeper into the cosmic ocean, we find no whispers, no signals, no signs of others. The darkness is complete, the silence profound. This paradox plunges us into an existential abyss, forcing us to question the very nature of life and our place within this vast, indifferent universe. Are we truly alone, the solitary sentinels of consciousness in an otherwise unfeeling cosmos? Or is there something more terrifying lurking in the shadows, an unknown force or cosmic truth that explains the silence? As we embark on this journey into the depths of the Fermi Paradox, prepare to confront the unsettling implications of a universe that remains mute. For in the silence, we may find the deepest mysteries of existence and perhaps the reflection of our own cosmic solitude. In the vast, endless tapestry of the universe, numbers weave a tale both mesmerizing and haunting. Imagine, if you will, the Drake equation, a formula designed to quantify the unfathomable. N equals sign asterisk x fp x and x fl x phi x fc xla sequence of variables, each representing a step on the ladder towards cosmic companionship. The rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planets, the number of planets that could support life, the emergence of life itself, the rise of intelligence, the development of technology that could send signals, and the lifespan of such civilizations. These numbers, when multiplied, suggest a universe teeming with life, a crowded void, bustling with potential. Yet, as we peer into the abyss, we are met with a chilling silence. The unsettling truth is not in the numbers themselves, but in what they imply. For despite the mathematical improbability of solitude, we find ourselves alone, surrounded by the quiet hum of cosmic background radiation, an eerie symphony of isolation. Is it possible that the variables, so seemingly optimistic, mask a darker reality? Perhaps the universe is a graveyard of civilizations, each snuffed out by forces unknown. Or maybe the silence is a warning, a cosmic sentinel urging caution. As the camera pans across the cosmic horizon, the numbers hover like specters, each digit a whisper of what could be, yet isn't. In this crowded void, we are left to ponder the paradox of our existence. Are we truly solitary sentinels? Or does the universe conceal a truth too terrifying to comprehend? In the equation's complexity, we find both hope and dread, a reflection of our deepest existential fears. The silence, once comforting, now echoes with the possibility of an unseen terror lurking in the shadows of infinity. In the vast, cold expanse of the universe, we find ourselves surrounded by a haunting void, a theater of cosmic silence. The rare Earth hypothesis suggests we might be the architects of our own solitude, the result of a cosmic lottery so improbable that it defies comprehension. The universe, a grand tapestry of infinite possibilities, teems with stars and planets. Yet, as we peer deeper into the abyss, we confront a chilling prospect. Perhaps the conditions that cradle life are not just rare, but nearly impossible. Imagine a planet, suspended in the delicate balance of its star's habitable zone, like a tightrope walker poised between oblivion and existence. This Goldilocks zone, neither too hot nor too cold, is a delicate cradle for life. But it is not the only requirement. A protective magnetosphere, a stable climate, a moon to stabilize axial wobble, and the right cocktail of elements all must align with cosmic precision. Beneath our feet, Earth whispers its secrets, revealing a history of catastrophic events that could have obliterated life before it even began. Yet, we persist, a testament to both chance and resilience. But what if this resilience is a cosmic fluke, an anomaly in the vast statistical landscape of the universe? The silence that envelops us, once a comfort, now feels like a harbinger of a darker truth. Could it be that we are the universe's firstborn, the solitary pioneers in a cosmos devoid of peers? The implications are as exhilarating as they are terrifying. Alone in this vast theater, we might hold the keys to our own destiny, the vanguard of consciousness in an indifferent universe. As we grapple with this possibility, we must also confront the shadows it casts, the idea that our solitude is not the result of an absent audience, but rather a stage set for a solitary performance. In this cosmic play, are we the actors, or merely the audience of our own fate? In the silent void of the cosmos, a chilling theory whispers through the vacuum, the great filter. It suggests that the universe is not silent because life is rare, but because the journey from simple to complex life is fraught with insurmountable challenges. Imagine a cosmic sieve, a barrier that few, if any, can pass, a hurdle that stands as a grim sentinel over the fate of civilizations. From the primordial ooze of a young planet, life ignites like a flicker in the dark. The first glimmer of consciousness emerges, a fragile flame against the cold expanse, but this spark must navigate a treacherous path. Biological evolution is a gauntlet, a tightrope walk on the knife's edge of survival. Extinction hovers like a specter over each nascent species, a reminder of nature's unforgiving calculus. Yet, if biology does not extinguish the flame, then civilization itself might. As societies rise, they flirt with self-destruction. War and strife, the basest instincts of survival, threaten to snuff out the light of progress. The invention of technologies, weapons of unimaginable power, cast dark shadows over the future. The potential for annihilation is a constant undercurrent, a reminder that the path forward is fraught with peril. Then, there is the specter of artificial intelligence, a creation that could surpass its creator. The birth of a machine mind, untethered by human limitations, poses a question. Will it be our savior or executioner? In this existential gamble, the line between control and catastrophe blurs. The great filter could lie behind us, a gauntlet already conquered, or it looms ahead, an obstacle yet to be faced. In the vast cosmic theater, we stand at a crossroads. Are we the lone actors in a universe devoid of peers, or are we merely the audience, destined to watch as our own fate plays out? The great filter remains an enigma, its presence both a tantalizing mystery and a terrifying omen. In the cosmic expanse, a chilling theory takes shape. The dark forest asterisk. Here, the universe is not a serene emptiness, but a dense, tangled thicket of silence and shadows, an arena where every civilization is a hunter, and each also a potential prey. This is a paradox where survival demands invisibility. Imagine a forest at night. Each sentient species is a lone wanderer, holding its breath amidst the trees, wary of the rustle of leaves, each sound a potential threat, each light a potential target. In this place, communication is not a bridge but a beacon, drawing attention that could spell doom. The universe isn't empty, it's hiding, and its inhabitants have learned to keep their heads down. In this dreadful quietude, the line between savior and executioner blurs. A civilization might emerge as a beacon of hope, a lighthouse in the dark waters of the cosmos. Yet, this very light could also attract forces beyond comprehension, leading to its swift annihilation. In this existential gamble, discretion is the price of survival. The universe, it seems, is a stage set for a grand performance, yet the actors dare not speak their lines. Each species, a silent witness to the cosmic play, clinging to the shadows, hoping not to become the leading role in the next act of cosmic extinction. So we stand at a crossroads, peering into the abyss, wondering if we are alone or if the universe is teeming with life, life that chooses silence over annihilation. Perhaps we are the lone actors left, or perhaps the audience, destined to observe the unfolding of our own fate, echoing silently across the cosmic void. The dark forest paints a universe that is not just indifferent, but actively hostile. A place where the great filter could lie not behind us, but ahead. A silent executioner. Waiting for those who dare to break the silence, we must ponder, is the risk of reaching out worth the potential cost? In the vast, echoing halls of the universe where silence reigns supreme, an unsettling theory whispers through the cosmic winds, the zoo hypothesis. Imagine, if you will, Earth, a vibrant, pulsating orb of life, ensconced within an invisible cage, its bars forged not of metal, but of awareness. We are the exhibit, the curious anomaly under the watchful gaze of distant, unseen entities. The universe is our enclosure, our world, a grand spectacle, observed through lenses that pierce the very fabric of our reality. Like a petri dish under the microscope, humanity's every step, every breath is scrutinized, analyzed, catalogued. Yet, the observers remain silent, their intentions hidden behind a veil of cosmic indifference. Consider this. Advanced civilizations far beyond our comprehension have chosen to quarantine us. To them, we are an experiment in isolation, a burgeoning species watched closely yet never touched. Perhaps they see us as a young, volatile race not yet ready to join the cosmic community. Or maybe they fear the chaos our presence could unleash upon the delicate balance of a universe they strive to maintain. In this grand theater of existence, we are left to ponder our role. Are we actors in a play directed by unseen hands, or mere spectators waiting for the curtain to rise on a universe we barely understand? The zoo hypothesis offers no comforting answers, only a chilling reminder of our possible insignificance. And so, we gaze into the night sky, searching for signs of life, oblivious to the eyes that might be staring back. It is a humbling thought that we may be nothing more than an exhibit, a cosmic curiosity shielded from the vast, indifferent expanse that surrounds us. The silence of the universe is not a void, but a deliberate quietude, echoing the unspoken pact of observers who choose to watch and wait. As we delve into the unsettling hypothesis of simulation theory, we find ourselves standing at the edge of a precipice, peering into an abyss where reality itself dissolves into digital mist. Imagine, if you will, the universe as a grand tapestry, woven not from matter and energy, but from lines of code, an intricate simulation designed by unfathomable intelligences. In this vision, the stars are mere pixels, the cosmos a vast virtual construct, and we, sentient algorithms, unaware of the confines of our digital cage. The Fermi Paradox, that haunting question of why the universe appears silent, begins to unravel when viewed through this lens. If we are simulations, perhaps the silence is not the absence of others, but the deliberate decision of our creators. To them, we are perhaps less than ants on a cosmic scale, a simulation running in the sandbox of a dead universe, their universe, where they observe without interference, maintaining the illusion of solitude. In this simulated reality, our existential dread takes on new dimensions. The search for extraterrestrial life becomes futile. There are no aliens, only the whispering echoes of our own coded existence. The ultimate isolation is not just being alone in the universe, but realizing that the universe itself is an illusion, a construct, a playground for those who exist beyond our perception. As we watch the stars, seeking connection, we are unwitting performers in a cosmic theater, our roles scripted by unseen architects. The silence of the universe is not a void, but a carefully orchestrated stillness, a testament to our creators' desire for control, for observation without interaction. In the end, we are left with the chilling reminder of our possible insignificance, not just in the vastness of space, but within the framework of reality itself. We are the ultimate paradox, beings who question their existence, trapped in a reality that may not even be real. As we drift into the final act of this cosmic theater, the curtain rises not on answers, but on the quiet dread of unknowing. The universe, in its vast and infinite expanse, remains silent to our cries. Perhaps this silence is not an empty void, but an echo chamber of our own making, a reflection of our desperate yearning for connection. Yet, the universe holds its breath, as if to remind us of the roles scripted by unseen architects. Imagine a grand library, each book a galaxy, each page a star, and yet each tome locked in an eternal hush. What if this silence is a testament to the creators' desire for control? A carefully orchestrated stillness, an observation without interaction. Are we but marionettes dancing on a stage crafted by hands we cannot see nor comprehend? In our quest to unravel the enigma of the Fermi Paradox, we confront the chilling reminder of our possible insignificance. We, who dare to question the very fabric of our existence, may find ourselves trapped in a reality that, like an intricate tapestry, could unravel at a mere pull of a thread. Is the silence of the universe a peaceful serenity, or the eerie quiet of a cosmic graveyard? As we ponder this, the weight of silence, heavier than the mass of a billion suns, presses down upon us. It is the sound of our own thoughts echoing in the void, unanswered. And so, in the end, we are left alone with the paradox that defines us, sentient beings, aware enough to ask the questions, yet unable to hear the answers. We are the observers in a universe that may be indifferent to our gaze. As the credits roll on this celestial stage, we are left staring at the ceiling, contemplating the infinite silence that surrounds us.